Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a page link in Notion, and that's pretty simple. So open your Notion app and here go to the page where you want to add a link. And the first one is you can copy a link and simply just paste the link on here. And the other one is you can always comment for the things that you need. Simply write here slash, or you can always scroll down to find the option, or you can specifically do the things as we're going to add a link. Simply type here link and you will find out a lot of options, and the first one is link to page. This one basically, if you need to add an existing page from your Notion pages in this page, you can simply tap on these options and link to a page. Or if you need to link from another apps as like Google Drive, Hacks, Asana, or anything, you can just look down for this app. Or in the last option, you can see options which is OF bookmark. If you need to add this option, simply tap on here and give the app name and simply type here .com and simply tap on that create bookmark option. And here you can see our bookmark is ready. And whenever you just tap on this option, this one will take you to the YouTube. And the last option is here you can see linked view of database, and here you can see this coupling to block. So there's a lot of options to insert a page link in a Notion app. So just look for the option that you need. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video found it helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.